The OG fuse machine has been canceled in steel of brain rot, and it's that Sammy had been saying in several admin abuses that he was going to bring back the first fuse machine we had, being able to get brain rots that could only be obtained in that machine like Agarini La Fellini, the combination, the Hotspotsitos, and the Supreme combination. But Sammy has posted a message that after thinking about it a lot, he has decided that the OG fuse machine will not return because it would be unfair for the players who obtained those brain rots and they would lose value. And you, what do you think of this decision?
В камине 6 утра, фотография.